If you have trouble sleeping, you need to get one of these.
So you
You
also can
basically
set
set up your
different types
different
of scenes.
scenes.
So
I have
sleep,
sleep,
relax,
relax,
morning.
yoga,
These are just some
morning.
of mine.
You
I'll
put
show
the
you some of
visual
them and
and the
how they
sound,
sound.
and I'll show you what some of mine sounds like. And this is also a wireless charger. So you can just put your phone on the dock in the back, it'll charge it. And if you have a smartwatch, you can put that there too. So if you guys want to get one of these, all you have to do is click that orange shopping cart at the bottom. Go get one right now. You might have a coupon to make it even cheaper.